Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I am Umang Mawani, software engineer by profession, and I solve coding interview questions. To know more about me, check my LinkedIn profile mentioned in the description. Today we will solve another problem from our sliding window playlist. This is longest repeating character after replacement. The problem description says you are given a string s and an integer k. You can choose any character of the string and change it to any uppercase English character, and you can perform this operation at most k times. Return the length of the longest substring containing the same character you can get after performing the above operations. For example, the string is ABAB and we can replace the character at most 2 times. So if we replace 2 A's or if we replace 2 B's, then we can get all the 4 character of same letter. Hence the output is 4. In the second example, if we take this substring, then after replacing A with B, we can have the longest substring, hence the output is 4. Now, this problem also follows a sliding window pattern, and we can use the similar dynamic sliding window strategy that we have used in our previous problems. Along with that, we can use HashMap to count the frequency of each letter that is given in the string. So we will iterate through the string and we will add one letter at a time into our window. We will also keep a track of the count of maximum repeating letter in any window. So for example, if this is our window, so we can see that B is repeating the most and its count is 3. So at any time we know that we can have a window which can have one letter that is repeating maximum number of time. So we should try to replace all the other letter from that window. For example, if I consider this window, we can see the letter that is repeating most is B and A is some other letter. Hence we should try to replace this A so that we can have all the same characters and it will be our longest substring. So let us go through the code and understand this approach. So firstly, we will initialize our map, that is character and integer. Then we will have our two variable start and max length, just like we have been using in all of our previous codes. Now we will use one more variable, max count of repeating letter, to keep the count of letter that is repeating the most in any window. Then we will write our for loop starting from 0 up to the length of the given string, and we will try to extend the range of our window. So we will take our first character, that is right char, and we will put into our hash map. After putting into the hash map, we will see if the max count of repeating letter is changed or not, because as we discussed, at any time we should have the count of that particular letter that is repeating most number of times. Now after this, let us understand what we are required to do. Our current window size is from window start to end, for example this, and overall we have a letter B that is repeating 3 times. This means that we can have a window which has one letter repeating 3 times and the remaining letter we should replace. Now if the remaining letter are more than k, then it is a time to shrink the window, as we are not allowed to replace more than k letters. So based on that, let us proceed with the code. We will have one if statement which says that from the window size, that is n minus start plus 1, if we subtract the max count of repeating letter and if that is greater than k, so this is nothing but the remaining letters from our window. If that is greater than k, so we will simply take the left character and we will decrement it from our hash map, and at the same time we will increment our start pointer. So this will make sure that we are sliding our window, and in the end we will compare the max length from our window size. Once the for loop is finished, we will simply return the max length. Let us go through this example to understand the above code. K is 1, the given string is A B, B, C, B. This is our start and end pointer. This is our hash map, and the max count of repeating letter is 0. So once the for loop is started, the right carries A. I will increment its count in the hash map, and the max count is also updated. I will increment the end pointer. The right carries B. I will increment its count, and the max count remains same. I will again increment our end pointer. It points to B. In the hash map, the count is incremented, and the max count is also changed to 2, because up to this window the max count of repeating letter is 2. Now I will increment the end pointer again. The hash map is updated. Max count still remains 2. Now at this point the window size is 4. The max count is 2. Hence the if block will be executed. Window size 4 minus 2 is greater than 1. So from the hash map the left char will be decremented. The left char is A. From the hash map we will reduce its count, and we will increment the start pointer. Now again end is incremented. The character is B. We will increment its count in hash map, and also the max count now will be incremented to 3, because in this window the letter that is repeating the most is B, and that is thrice. Our window size is 4, hence we can replace only one character, so that this will become our longest substring. Hence the max length will be 4. So that's it for the explanation. Let us try to run the code. It is accepted. Let us submit. Yeah, and it's a success. So guys, I hope you understood the solution, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any queries. Also, like, share and subscribe this channel to help me solve more problems for you. Thank you.